Bingo patterns are specific arrangements of marked numbers on a bingo ticket. There are 32,760 different combinations, and they vary in shapes and forms. Their significance depends on the type of bingo game you're playing. In most bingo games, you will come across these basic patterns. One line, achieved by marking a single line of numbers, which can be in any direction: horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Two lines, requires marking two lines of numbers. The direction depends on whether it's 75 or 90 ball bingo. Full house, the ultimate goal where you must mark every number on your ticket. This usually signifies the end of the game and offers a higher reward than one line and two lines. Four corners, a simple pattern that involves marking the four corner spaces on your ticket. Letters and numbers, these patterns involve marking numbers to form specific letters, like T, H, X, or certain numbers, such as 3, 4, 7, or 8. Outside edge, marking 16 numbers around the edge of the ticket. This pattern is exclusive to 75-ball bingo, typically played on a square-shaped ticket. Now let's explore some special bingo patterns. Clock, recognizable by a large circle around the outside of the ticket, often with a clock hand pointing in a random direction. Wine glass pattern, trendy among players, this shape is pretty straightforward to notice. It can be full or empty. Windmill, popular in many 75-ball bingo rooms, this shape features four squares in each corner and a connecting space in the middle. It's known for its difficulty and often awards jackpots. Bell, also known as the Christmas tree pattern, it consists of 13 numbers on a 75-ball bingo ticket, making it a holiday favorite. Candy cane, commonly associated with Christmas-themed bingo games. Witch's hat, this pattern requires marking 13 numbers and is usually played around Halloween. Arrow, a multi-directional shape that can be formed on a 75-ball bingo ticket in any corner, known for its speed. Center row, a straight line forming a sequence in the middle of a ticket, suitable for beginners. Crazy T, rotated by 90, 180, or 270 degrees on bingo tickets, making it easier to form winning combinations. Crazy pyramid, taking up 9 spaces on the ticket, this combination is also one of the easiest patterns to make and can be oriented in any direction. The kite, an interesting pattern, reminiscent of a triangular aircraft for children, which can be formed in any direction. The airplane, seen from a bird's eye view, this combination is both interesting and challenging, with the ability to be positioned in all 4 directions on a ticket. The dollar, shaped like the famous dollar symbol, this pattern is relatively easy to achieve. The turtle, another fun combination seen from above, offering a straightforward path to victory. 4x4 block, stretching across 16 spaces, and can be placed in any corner of the ticket, with 9 positions remaining blank. For those seeking a greater challenge, there are hard bingo patterns. Cloverleaf, a pattern applicable only to US bingo, featuring 4 numbers in the shape of a square in all 4 corners. Diamond, a not-so-easy pattern that requires marking numbers in the shape of this precious mineral, with variations of inside and outside diamonds. Some bingo games allow patterns to be completed in any direction, whether horizontally, vertically, diagonally, or in other ways, depending on the specific rules of the game. It's essential to note that some bingo games may award prizes for matching no numbers or achieving no pattern. Understanding the odds of winning a particular bingo combination is essential. The odds depend on the type of game you're playing and the number of spaces on the ticket required to complete the pattern. The more numbers needed to complete a pattern, the lower the odds of winning. Difficult patterns often require more numbers and must often be completed within a set number of balls, adding to the challenge. While bingo is primarily a game of chance, here are some tips and tricks to enhance your bingo experience. Start with easier patterns. Begin with patterns that require fewer numbers to complete, gradually progressing to more challenging ones. Avoid rush hours. Play during less crowded times, such as mornings, late afternoons, or nights, to improve your chances. Choose the right bingo cards. Pay attention to the numbers on your cards. Some cards may have a better distribution of numbers, potentially increasing your odds. Practice regularly. The more you play, the better you'll become at identifying and marking patterns, particularly the basic ones like 1 line, 2 lines, and full house. Socialize. Interacting with other players can be fun and educational. You may pick up valuable tips and strategies from experienced players. That concludes our exploration of bingo patterns. Best of luck in your bingo adventures, and may the next call be your lucky bingo.